Hello everyone. Now we will do how to assign contract management users, push to post contract, update progress claim, update VO, material on site, and etc. and also how to print certificates. Let's begin. First and foremost, go to the project that is in post contract stage and then check on the checklist to see or not whether it is completed. And then we go to the users, to the contract management, and in contract management we select publish to post contract, and here click on the assign users, select the users and click assign, and then go to the assign verifier. In this verifier, click on the users we assigned earlier and click assign. Once finished, we go back to assign claim certificate verifier, also using the same step by assigning users, and then to assign the verifier for the specific task. Click assign. Do the same thing to variation order. Also to the material on site. And then we could go to Build Space Pro to proceed to post contract. We go to tenderer setting to choose a tenderer to undertake this project. Click select and then click close. We will see the tenderer's name is highlighted in blue, and then simply click to push to post contract. Click publish. Use selected contractor rates with not listed items and proceed to complete the letter of acceptance, beginning with contract period, followed by awarded date, and also the contract period too. The trade, we enter main contractor, and then the retention sum to 10% and the maximum retention sum to 5%. Normal working hour to 8 hours, and then proceed to click save. Once saved, we can go back to the e-project and to home, and then we will see the project dashboard indicates that we need to verify before publish to post contract. Click to inspect, then it will direct us to the Pro again. With the list of items that we can preview before we approve. Once you approve, click on approve and then click yes. Once approved, we can go back to eProject and see the title there after we refresh. On the status indicates that it's already approved. And then go to the project dashboard. We can see the dashboard appears to be slightly different to indicate contract amount and also the contract amount plus VO amount. Continuing to Pro, we can see the Pro is in the post contract status. To initiate a claim certificate, we can first go to the items that we wanted to perform claims. Once we identify, proceed to click Claim Certificate and activate Claim Certificate. Enter the name of the person who prepared the certificate and click Save. Now we can go back to the project breakdown and go to the items that we wanted to perform claim to, and double click. We can see the column there extended on the current claim and the up-to-date claim. Simply enter a percentage on the current claim based on the items that needed to be claimed on, like so. And also we can perform the claim based on the amount to show the versatility of this system. Once finished, we can go back to the claim certificate, and in there, click on the reload button, and we will see the amount certified and status of the claim. Now to create a variation order, simply click and tap enter, and then enter the name of the variation order. Take for example for this one, variation order number 1. And then tap enter again. You can see the status is preparing. Double click on the item and click omit from bills for the item that need to be changed. So take for example for this one, we will go to frame, into reinforced concrete frame, take on the items that needed variation works to be done to it, and then simply click import. We can proceed to type in the variation details down here. Take for example, we need to do changes in the concrete grade. So we'll copy back everything from the items that we omit from bills. Grade 35. And also change the item type next here to head. Okay, now continue to write in the item that are affected alongside these variation changes. From here we enter the columns and then beams, followed by roof beams. Enter the units, which is meter cube for all 3 items. We input the quantity for new variation items. Now we can proceed to record the rates over here. This rate will be used to multiply the quantity that we input earlier, like this one. So now, take for example that we wanted to do claim revision for the variation order. First and foremost, we go to the claim over here. Make sure the status can be changed to pending and press enter. Tick yes, and then go back to the e-project and click home for us to verify the variation order is legit and can be done. So click on the view, verified, click inspect, and then we can see the status there is pending. Double click, to examine the variation. Once the variation is approved, straight away click on the approve and then click yes. Okay, and then the status changed to approved. Once we go back to Pro and click on the variation order, you can see the status there noted approved. Simply double click on the variation, click on the claim revision and add new claim. Click yes, and the claim is in progress. So go back to the variation, double click, and then we can see the claim column has already been unlocked, which means it is in white. So we can enter the percentage of claim that we wanted to do for this particular claim, and then go back to the claim revision, double click on the status, go to locked, and then press enter and click yes. And then we go back to project breakdown, click reload, so we can see the overall total of the claim for variation order. And then we can go back to the claim certificate, hit refresh, and we will see amount certified for this one claim. And then we can see the claim is in pending for approval. Simply double click on the claim, examine everything. Okay, go to the claim certificate print info to see the final view of the claim. So this is basically the printout version of the claim. Once satisfied, you can straight away go to click inspect, and approve the claim. After we hit refresh, you can see the status is approved, and then when we go to the project dashboard, we can see the pie chart here is showing the contract information alongside claim information.